Hey everyone, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of baking soda. Did you know this little box in the back of your pantry is actually a secret weapon for a more sustainable and budget-friendly life? It's true. From beauty hacks to household tips, we're uncovering 12 secret baking soda tricks that will transform your daily routine. Get ready to discover the magic of baking soda. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a megawatt smile. Whitening strips can be harsh, but baking soda is a gentle alternative. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a paste. Brush your teeth with this once a week after using regular toothpaste. Baking soda helps lift surface stains from coffee, tea, and wine. Ready for a spa day? This DIY face scrub with baking soda will leave your skin baby soft. Combine a tablespoon of baking soda with water to make a smooth paste. Gently massage onto your face in circular motions, avoiding the eye area. Rinse with warm water and voila, soft, radiant skin. Use this scrub once or twice a week for a natural glow-up. We all want to feel fresh throughout the day. Baking soda to the rescue. After showering, pat your underarms dry and apply a small amount of baking soda. It neutralizes odors and can be used with your regular deodorant for an extra boost. Hit the snooze button too many times? Baking soda can save the day as a dry shampoo. Sprinkle a small amount onto your roots and scalp, focusing on oily areas. Massage it in, then brush out any excess. Instantly, your hair will have volume and life. After a long day, give your feet some TLC with a baking soda foot soak. Fill a basin with warm water and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse and pat dry. Your feet will feel soft and refreshed. Cleaning can be easy, effective, and eco-friendly with baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda on surfaces like countertops and sinks, then scrub with a damp cloth. Rinse with clean water for a sparkling clean without harsh chemicals. Want bright whites and vibrant colors? Add half a cup of baking soda to your laundry. It boosts your detergent's effectiveness, brightens whites, and neutralizes odors. Plus, it's gentle on your clothes. Fridge odors can be a thing of the past with baking soda. Place an open box of baking soda in the back of your fridge. It absorbs odors, keeping your fridge smelling fresh. Replace every few months. Baking soda can soothe itchy bug bites, razor burn, and sunburn. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to make a paste. Apply to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. It provides much-needed relief and calms redness. Clogged drains? Try a natural solution with baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of vinegar. Let it fizz and bubble for 15 minutes, then flush with boiling water. Your drain should be flowing freely again. Baking soda can freshen up your carpets by absorbing odors. Sprinkle baking soda over your carpets and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Vacuum thoroughly to remove the baking soda and trapped odors. Your carpets will smell fresh and clean. And clean makeup brushes are essential for flawless application. Baking soda can help. Fill a bowl with warm water and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Soak your brushes for 20 minutes, then rinse under running water. Squeeze out excess water and reshape the bristles. Lay flat to dry. Your brushes will be clean and fresh. There you have it, 12 amazing baking soda tricks. From beauty hacks to cleaning tips, baking soda is versatile and powerful. Ditch harsh chemicals and embrace baking soda. Share your favorite trick in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Stay beautiful and inspired.